ay kinuha nyo muna bago kayo nakagawa ng land conversion. Ang mga ito ay, marami ito, pero ang tatlong pinaka-importante, certification from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, stating that the land is classified as alienable and disposable. Certification from the Department of Agriculture as to the total area of existing agricultural sugar lands. Certification from the Department of Agrarian Reform indicating that such lands are not distributed or covered by notice of valuation and CARP, blah, blah, blah. 12 po ang iba pang mga requirements. Kahit na wala itong requirements na ito, na-reclassify po ninyo yung lupa nung mag-asawang Lilibet Anicete at Fernando Anicete. Tama po.
As per record, Your Honor,